You have to see what's happening to the Bitcoin price this Tuesday as we're still below the $48,000 level where we have the 200-day moving average. But something extremely interesting is happening right now to Bitcoin dominance breaching 40%, breaking major structural support levels. This is a huge puzzle piece, and we know that the total cryptocurrency market cap chart has been showing more strength than Bitcoin, staying above its 200-day moving average. And so does that mean that in 2022, fundamentally sound altcoins are going to be continuing to see new all-time highs? We know that Crypto.com token, for example, when they announced the Arena rename, saw massive gains and new all-time highs. We know Helium and Sandbox and a lot of the GameFi and NFT coins are doing extremely well. Bitcoin dominance breaching its major support, the total market cap being stronger than Bitcoin, validates that altcoin season is potentially in its early stages for 2022 to see a continuation. Now, let's talk about what's happening to Bitcoin. Yes, we have two full daily candles right now that are below the 200-day moving average. It's the first time we're seeing daily candles closing below the 200-day moving average, which means that in the short term, that the bears are in control and that we have a potential downside scenario right now where we could come down towards a $38,000 to $34,000 level if we breach 44,800 again. You guys know that. You guys watched our video yesterday. But realize this, with the total market cap staying above the 200-day moving average, Bitcoin dominance finally giving us a clue as to where it wants to go. Could we say that the total market cap being above the 200-day moving average, we're still bullish? I think that that's still on the table. And so if Bitcoin does not breach 44,800 and we do get above 48,000, I think that at this point we can confirm that altcoin season is still in effect. This would be an opportune time to be entering positions into altcoins. For those in the Discord, you know we send altcoin signals every single day because altcoin season has yet to finish, especially for these fundamentally sound coins. So 48,000 is even more important than ever. It's not just the 200-day moving average, but breaching above that confirms Bitcoin potentially wants to come back above its 20-week moving average. The total market cap already being stronger, Bitcoin dominance starting to drop. Altcoins will see more gains, of course, if that happens, and Bitcoin can potentially start having some upside targets for us to cover. But we have to get above 48,000 where we have this 200-day moving average. And none of this is a surprise. If we look at what's happening to Ethereum, notice how we're also way above the 200-day moving average, never coming down to test it. Could we say that we saw an upside move from the $2,700 level for Ethereum to see new all-time highs at 4,800, and we saw a flaggish consolidation before we're going to be seeing continuation to the upside? This is certainly on the table as well when it comes to market structure. And when it comes to the environment outside of Ethereum and Bitcoin in the crypto market, it's healthier than ever with the S&P 500 breaking into new all-time highs today, and the DXY still quite calm, but at a major resistance level. 95.885 is now support. It's still showing strength in the more macro term. In the short term, environment looks good that we could potentially see some upside here soon in the cryptocurrency market. And so Bitcoin is at a very critical level right now. The Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, by the way, with Bitcoin dominance coming down, the Ethereum Bitcoin chart is bouncing off of its 50-day moving average. What does that tell us? Ethereum leads the altcoins, and with the Ethereum Bitcoin chart in the macro being so bullish, and the altcoins outside of Bitcoin chart just now starting to follow Ethereum's path of seeing some new highs, could we also assume that we're going to be seeing continuation for the altcoins outside of Ethereum? I think that that's probably why Bitcoin dominance has breached major support. Bitcoin dominance comes back above 40%. We will address that. Could just be a fake out, but we're breaking major structural support. We're seeing levels of Bitcoin dominance that we have not seen since 2020, 2021, and that is a very big deal. So for those tuned into the Cypress channel, you know we'll be covering this. I'm going to be doing live streams soon. That's why you see a new setup. I'm actually using a new computer, and so I'm a little bit off on the trackpad, but I appreciate each and every one of you snipers for tuning into our channel. Thank you all so much for the support. 2022 is going to be a phenomenal year. Remember to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And with Bitcoin at the $48,000 level, that's the 200-day moving average. We need to conquer that, and we can start talking about some upside targets and potentially start looking at altcoins and where the continuation of altcoin season is going to concentrate. And if we see downside, 44,800 now still the major support. We knock on that door for a third time. We want to be ready for potentially getting below 40,000. I think that would be the worst case scenario, and we could potentially bottom out at this level. I don't see Bitcoin being too far below its 200-day moving average for too long. Matter of fact, I think that where we're sitting right now for those dollar cost averaging positions over the long term, the 200-day moving average is never a bad idea. Thank you all for tuning into the Snipers channel today. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and until next time, Snipers out.